between my family. In my family business in my absence, a new thing came to mind. I knew that Linda and Shep would agree with me once they could agree.
Well, I'm so happy to hear you say that, Adele, because I see this as the start of a long-term family relationship.
But probably won't. Ooh, Mama, that was a cool one.
Power of attorney and proxy agreements cover all. Sorry. Power of attorney and proxy agreements cover all points previously discussed with me representing family's board interests at Leopold Laboratories. So, Belinda can focus on the foundation, and Shepard, you're free to pursue your
My diversified portfolio of entrepreneurial activities. Yeah, we all know. Hard sciences never could much contain my interests.
That's right, Shepard.
Exactly. So no surprises here. And
Sit down.
There was a few that went
well,
like that.
once I'm situated in the position, there are some opportunities both in and outside of the pharma space that I'd love to get into, but
No, Mama.
Especially when you're the first one to like run away when it does that.
The whole point of it was to go slow.
Fine, then I won't record it.